Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the Epic account is verified. This avoids token rejection. Once done, Verify Project Retrac actually accepts Epic authentication and which auth flow it uses because the flow determines the steps ahead. Make sure you have the exact Epic email, password, and any 2FA methods ready: Authenticator app, SMS, or recovery codes, because interruptions during login force retries. If a password is suspect, change it at Epic first and wait a few minutes for propagation. You now perform the login. Open a private window or clear cache to prevent stale cookies from breaking the handshake. Next, choose Sign In with Epic on Project Retrac and follow the OAuth consent prompts. Read scopes and accept only what's necessary. Make sure the redirect URI you see matches Project Retrac. Mismatched redirects cause immediate failures. If 2FA appears, complete it promptly. If it times out, restart the flow rather than reusing an expired code. You finish by confirming the token exchange completed and that you land in the Project Retrac dashboard. This proves authentication and authorization worked. If login fails, inspect Epic account settings for security locks, revoke previous authorizations for Project Retrac, and reset the password if needed, then retry. One key troubleshooting tip: sync your device clock and clear the OAuth app cache. Clock drift or cache tokens commonly break auth flows, and fixing them often resolves persistent log.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.